Hello everybody! Welcome back to HERETIC'S FORK, a game that's had several updates, including one that happened within the last 5 minutes. And the whole update was just like, very spooky picture. Very spooky, indeed. Hello there, Denny Fox. Hello there, Lust. Hello there, clicking around to see if we can find some more eyes. Hello there, Picture. Let's go for... what do we want to draw? I'm going to try to draw Dust. Poorly. He's going to kind of look more like a Yoshi. You know what? Honestly, for the best. I'm going to draw... I know... So this is something that my grandfather taught me how to draw a very long time ago. Ready? Check this shit out. It's a bird in one. Ready? And then you go like this. You go like this. You go up. You go around, and then you give him a little beak. I kind of fucked up a little bit. Beak, a little eye, and then he gets his little legs. Shoop, shoop. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Bird in one, baby. Alright. So apparently there's new cards and all sorts of wacky stuff. This lady annoys the hell out of me. Let's try a John Furniz. You know, let's try this guy out. Oh, wait. So everyone gets this now. Okay. What do we want to do? Hold on. There's probably new missions now as well, if I had to guess. Oh, wait. Look at that. Draw cards equal to your current power. Add one to your hand. Interesting. Seems like a good card. I mean, we can probably knock out a couple more of these if we just go into our rewards and promotions and buy 2 more cards. Resets all garrison spawn time and spawning units for each garrison. Interesting. Ooh, new tower? Okay, hold on. Well, if we're gonna get a new tower... I mean, if you're gonna make me pick one... Give me the Saw Blades. I mean, Judgment was fun, but I don't think it's very good. Give me the Saw Blades. Alright, sinners. It's time to die. Speed them up. So what does Saw Blade Tower do? It must be very close range, whatever it does. Ooh. This is AoE. Tower range, tower damage. I mean, these are all pretty good. We're not doing a Hellfire build, so I'm going to put you there, and I'm going to lock you after doing that. There we go. And now, hopefully, next turn, I can use that bad boy to actually get something. Well, we're not doing garrison, so... Boom, boom, upgrade. Literally doesn't matter what we pick. Draw a card every time you use a rock card. Rocks cost +1. I mean, that's not bad, but we can get a purple. Cheater is so good to have literally in the first stage. So we're going to go for that. And I really should have locked that guy in. Alright. 2 cards to add. I'm going to take Hellfire and Reload. Wait, do we have an extra tower slot? Oh my god, we do. Sure, let's do this. And then you 2 can get fused. Oh, I love the Blessing of Protection. Start stacking up them cheeky shields nice and early. Do not mind if I do. Oh, I got the replenish thing. Ah, oh, I've got a lucky, huh? But I guess this is it just if I want to fuse stuff, maybe? I didn't even know I had any of these in my deck. Well, we don't want Holy Wind, so... Am I misinterpreting that card? I am misinterpreting that card because I definitely don't have those in my deck. Okay, I getcha. Oh yeah, I'll take an upgraded Unholy MG, please. Yeah, I'll take that. Okay, well now that I know what it is, we can make more use out of it. I mean, these are both great. Can't play that anymore, which means we may as well just do that and lock you in. Oh my god, look at him! Okay. I'm picking up what you're putting down, Mr. Sawblade. I'm interested. You have my attention. So they're going to be very good at the big picture targets. Yeah, like, look at... Mince him! No, he was out of range. Okay, what do we got? Yeah, we're taking Hail Satan. And... I guess we'll take the Hot Potato just to fuse it. 3 cards, right. Give me Enlighten. Maybe we want to play the Enlighten. Probably not. Give me extra structure. Okay, what you got for me, big guy? Well, I mean... Boom. 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 Fuse these two. Okay, we wanted Unholy Crit. Crap, I fucked that up. Okay, you know, it's fine. Because we can still get these up. Oh! And lock that. Beautiful. We can work on that build. We can get that going. And we got extra saw blades going. We got 2 blue unholy MGs. Truly the unholiest of the MGs. Crunched them. What do we got? God, that's tempting. Okay, I'm gonna... Well, you're removed now. I want to play you because we need to start playing you. I think we're going to fuse you two together because I don't really care. I do like Dark Mark. And we can play it. So I'm going to take you for now because you're healing. And then I'm going to lock in this Hot Potato because I want him to be fused to something and then killed. With extreme prejudice. Look at these little saw blades. They're wacky as hell. And they're doing pretty good work too. That's the big thing. Okay, so we do this by doing these two. Ah, crap, it's another unholy crit. Well, we take the unholy crit. We take the tower range and we relock here. Sorry, damage. I mean, we've got better damage cards now anyway, so it doesn't matter. In our gigantic 50% unholy damage cards. Oh my god, the saw blades are so wacky. Okay, what you got? I'm just gonna take the 2 blues. For fusions. Okay, guess what? Bam. A purple judgment. I mean, you know, it's kind of fun. For now, though, we definitely need the damage. So we're going to Hail Satan. And we're going to Saw Blade. Oh, that was a tickle. That was a tickle and a half. It's fine, because we had shield. Because Blessing of Protection is the GOAT. Undeniably. I like ya, and I want ya. Oh, wait. I mean, I can still pick from 2 cards. Oh yeah, tower range by 15%. Don't mind if I do. I disrespect range too much. Range is very good. Okay, here comes the big spiral. Yeah, we're not going to have any problems with that spiral. The saw blades aren't the best. But I'm thinking, you know, we can keep the saw blades in as like a wacky friend. But we'll make 1 saw blade, and we'll make 1 judgment, which is our big clickety clackers. And I do love the big clickety clackers. I don't know what the last card was blend was. Weakens. I mean, weaken's alright. We'll take weaken. And increase unholy damage again. Go my clickety clackers. Get clicking and quite possibly even clacking. And if we get that extra projectile going, even better. We're just going to need to wait 30 minutes. And I don't even have a puppy dog here to harass. I think she's out chasing mosquitoes because it is mosquito season. My God, we're dealing some damage. Oh yeah, we take a lucky. I think we take another divine sight and punish. Because we can use these as fusion materials. Yep. We take those. Right, the chunky chompy boys. We take the unholy crit. I think we take the weaken. And then we fuse these 2 up. And... ooh! Yeah. I mean, you know, getting some cheeky green cards for free. Good fusion fodder material. Love that for us. See, and this is why we need the range. The waves are going too slow. Okay, well now... fuck it. Ooh, I mean, we're trying to do the unholy crit thing, so give me that. Is it good? Not at all, but you know. I can't do jack all else. You know, sometimes that's life. Also, we're already dealing just fucking batshit crazy damage. And we've even got variety. Who doesn't love variety? I hear that it is, in fact, the spice of life. Play the lucky. Divine sight. Punish. You can come out for now. Speed of tower projectiles. Could be good. Yeah, I think we go the crafter, though. In the deck or the discard pile. So that's what, 4 cards? Yeah. And there was one in the discard as well, but that one didn't get changed. But you know what? That's fine. That's life, baby. My God, these things deal some damage. They're good against groups. Very good against groups. And I just like the clickety clackers. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you. Recycle, curse, yeah, why not? Don't actually want either of these. I think they're both kind of terrible. Speaking of kind of terrible. No, I can't fuse you, so hold on. I'm sorry. Don't vibe with any of these. I don't vibe with any of these. Come on, baby. With 3 structures of different damage type and play multiple... okay, we can't use that one. When banishing a card, gain its power cost as energy. Ooh! I mean, this could also be great. I think I am going to take this. And then give me my choice between 2. Give me the hemorrhage. Purple hemorrhage is good. because that affects the clickety clackers and the saw blades. And of course, with redemption on the board now, we have a chance to actually get some of these, keep some of these cards. Like the towers are the big ones, because the towers get banished whenever you use them. Yeah, you two can go. Architect. 30% damage? Structure damage by 10%. I mean, 30% damage ain't terrible, but it costs 4. Which is the same as our... Oh. How do I... Tab. Hail Satan banishes. Okay, so you're actually very worth keeping. But I'm also going to use both of these this turn. Okay, so that's why Hail Satan is so strong, because you don't get to use it again. Well, if we can get another Unholy Tower, I think this is all of them, though, besides the Garrison. Ah, the Bazaar. Now, okay, so we can do something with this. We can banish you. No, because we took the other thing. I'm stupid. I keep thinking we took the other thing. I mean, we can still banish it. I mean, well, look, let's start with this, because we don't want you. Give me the Unholy Crit. Fuck it. We ball. Oh my god, I want to buy you so bad, but we've got no money. For whatever reason, I thought we would have more money. Well, you can just stay there. Yeah, no, we've got $5. That was a terrible idea. I should have banished that shop rift. I was like, of course we've got money. What are you talking about? We've played at least 2 of these stupid loots. Nah. 3 cards. Ah, purple, purple, and lucky. Just because I want to actually play the lucky. Lucky? I mean, we've already got damage, right? So just give me better cards. Better cards and more of them. And now we're in green. So now we'll start actually getting some money. Okay, well, we're just going to play the lucky. We're going to play the punish. Do I want 10 gold? Honestly, get the fuck out of my sight. Oh, wait, is that going to banish that one? Yeah, okay, it did also banish that one. I should have just played it. But you know what? We learnt something today. And sometimes that's what matters. We still killing things pretty quick. Yeah, I mean, I'm not super worried. Oh, we're gonna play that. We're gonna play that. Do we wanna... Yeah, let's lock you. Oh my god. It gave it to me anyway? Hello. Gold Swordblade. We take Gold Swordblade. We definitely don't complain about a golden Swordblade. Now, it does mean we're going to have to fuse our 2 Unholy MGs together to play it. But I don't think that's a huge issue, just to level with you. And I am putting my phone on vibrate. So the Bazaar can just immediately fuck off. You 2 can get fused. You can go. And then just immediately get another one put in the deck. We don't want Curse. Give me the big AoE. Okay, yeah, they're a decent size bigger. The more dinks we can hit at once, the better, as far as I'm concerned. Those damn double income, no kids having bastards. It's funny because I don't have kids. I'm gonna take both of you. But I'm single income. Sag. I'm just gonna put you two together. Oh, how I love Praise Be. I'm sorry, Architect. I'd love to play you. But I'm taking the Unholy Crit. And I'm taking the Lucky. And I'm taking the Sharp Rock. Yeah, no. We're still basically one-tapping things with our schmacky boys here, so... And we need more money drops. We need the economy. Give me the purple. I mean, there's a chance we get to keep this. Didn't happen, but there was a chance. And I'm just going to take the damage. I was originally thinking about fusing them into another yellow, but didn't work out that way, sadly. Times 16% damage, though. That's good money right there. And look at that. I'm not too concerned about this. Like, I'm a little concerned, but I ain't too concerned. Do you feel me? Okay, I don't think we need this many Luckies anymore. So, sorry, boys. Yeah, I love me a Frankie Fast Hands. Are you out of your goddamn mind? But I will play the Hemorrhage this turn. Yeah, I'll play the Hemorrhage. Give me the big AoE. Hit more dinguses. Yeah, that is AoE. Okay, good. Uh-oh. Things are a little bit spicier than I initially anticipated. That's why we need the attack speed. 3 choices? Oh my god, yes. Yep. Everything else here does not matter. No, I'm just going to continue. Yep, extra tower slot. Don't mind if I do. Extra projectiles on the Judgment. Okay, I think we want... Do we want damage or attack speed? Hold on, if we do Frankie Fast Hands and Lucky, we can then lock you for next turn. And we can do this. Curse needs to get out of the deck. We ain't using it. But now we've got this thing locked, so it's not a huge deal. And of course, we've got another tower spot, which is great, because we're going to be getting a lot more Goldens in our future. Start with the Praise Be. That's kind of what I was hoping for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to lock this, I'm going to replenish. No pain. Gain 50 shield, gain 60 seconds of invulnerability. I'm going to make a cycle out deck again, and I hate myself for doing it. Because look, this card's fine, but... Oh my god. But another Living Shadow? Don't mind it if I do, sir. This feels like the memeiest, like, unholy build, though. These towers are wacky. I ain't saying I don't love them. But I'm definitely saying they're wacky. Banish effects occur in extra time while both unholy and holy garrisons are replaying increased garrison lifespan. These are all terrible. Give me the Void. 2. Give me the Dark Believer. In fact, I'm going to draw them both next turn. So guess what's about to happen? We're going to play Living Shadow. We're going to banish this garbage. Thanks for the cash. Then we're going to upgrade these. Don't make me do it. I can't not. I can't not. It's so fun. Look at how many of these bastards we've got. Look at them little dinky dink boys. And the saw blades too? We're going to become unkillable monstrosities. Obviously, we're going to play the Living Shadow, right? And then we're going to play the Replenish. And we're going to take the Sunder. Which means, unfortunately, we're going to get you out of here for now. And there we go. See? Another Unholy MG. Everything worked out fine. Although, I'm not going to lie. I kind of just want another clickety-clacker. Oh my god, those guys were quick. See, that's why we need more range. Those boys just kind of charged into us. Okay, give me the Unholy MG for now. Do I want attack speed or the Unholy crit? I mean, we're trying to stack the stupid crit, so we should get the crit. Divine Sight might just be worth playing, because we do desperately need the range. Look at this little fella. He sends them out quick, though. Yes. Extra projectiles. Look at my clickety-clackers. I mean, sure. Again, I'm just going to keep taking the purples. And I'm just going to take an extra tower slot. Okay, we do actually want to play this Lucky out. No, we want to play the Praise Be. Okay, cool. We can finally get rid of this. Not a big fan of any of these, so guess what you're doing? Damn, it's the Soul Blade. I might just hold on to you and turn you into something else later. What's our Unholy crit at? 30. I think, is that enough? It might be. I don't know. Just put you there for now. Maybe we'll play you next turn. Maybe we won't. Who knows? Yeah, we've got a lot of Living Shadows. I really want a second clickety-clacky. I'm not going to lie to you. We actually really need to start playing Architect, though, because our damage is starting to fall off. Okay, well, we're going to play the Unholy Crit. Oh, wait. Do we have Super Unholy Crit yet? Shit. No, we do not. Well, guess what? We're getting another yellow. So we could use this to get another Golden Soul Blade. Or I could just use this to get another Golden Soul Blade. Just give me this for now. And you know what? Goodbye. Hello. It works. It works. I'm not happy about it, but it works. There's a lot of goddamn Soul Blades. And we do... Yeah, we've still got our Architect. Okay. Yeah, we play another Living Shadow. And we play Replenish. We take the Sunder. And what do we use this Sunder for? Absolute fodder. Not a damn thing else. Hail Satan. 50% damage. That's what I needed. Which, of course, is going to be the same turn I get the Architect, and I can't play them both. But you know what? It's fine. Maybe we'll lock the Architect in. If we don't have something we want to play for 2, of course. Sniper's not bad. We're not going to take it. Oh, it's 2. I mean, we could take Guns of God. But no, we're doing a tower run. Well, I mean, actually, we are only doing an unholy run. In reality. Okay, well, we didn't get the Architect. But that's actually fine as hell. I'm just going to play Hail Satan and the Lucky. Yeah, we're doing okay here. I don't think we're going to be losing. Not anytime damn soon. This was a very memey build, but I'm a big fan. Yeah, sure. What do you got in the shop? These are all terrible. Hail Satan. Yeah, I think I'm good on the rest of it. I'm just gonna play the Architect for way more damage. And next turn we'll get another Hail Satan. And I still want to get more of these unholy crits played, just in case. Because I don't know what percentage we needed it to be at. But we also definitely don't have the next level of it unlocked anyway. Okay, well, I wish I didn't get you both in the same turn. But between the two of you, you're better, so... I guess just play you for the sake of it. Is Heresy the last circle? I can never remember. No, it's definitely not, because we haven't done the one with the, like, you know, just cardinal direction paths. Which this build should absolutely decimate. Boom, boom, boom. Because we might want to use Monkey Paw. These are all fucking terrible. Give me the max HP. Is this one our 4 corners? No, violence. I think this one might be the last one. Frankie Fast Hand. And Lucky. And Sniper Monkey. You can just go right there. And then hopefully we'll draw a nice cheeky purple. Cheeky, chunky purple. I wish there was like a 5x speed thing, because I don't think we're in much trouble here. I don't think we're in much trouble at all. Well, I mean, I'm just gonna... Do I want to fuse you or keep you? I guess I'll just keep you two in the deck. I really want to get another Judgment. Preferably of the golden variety. I don't want to waste a Praise B though. Okay, so we can sack one card for a Monkey's Paw here, which I think is probably worth it. Never mind, it shuffled the deck to kill my deck. Okay. Goodbye. Soul Blade. I don't want any of these. You come out. I'm going to fuse you two together into... I mean, that's not bad, but we don't want to use it because we want to lock you. Yeah, we're doing just fine here. Ooh, extra choice is also nice. And give me the monkey's finger. Okay, what do? We do this. Frankie's Fast Hands is great. So we do that. We put you in here. And we put you in here. And then we play the Hot Rock just for shits and giggles. The faster they attack, the better they attack. Look at that wall of death. See, I ain't worried. I mean, hail Satan. Am I right, brothers? And I just realized that that little keep things occasionally thing works. And that's why that happened. Replenish. That's a free purple? Yeah, we take that. Now. Sorry, Architect. We really did just fuck Architect every single time. Okay. Reroll. Boom, boom. Everything in the next shop will be free. The Judgment. That's what we wanted. Hand him over. For the memes. That will be destroyed next turn. I mean, a free shop does sound fun, don't get me wrong. But, you know. It ain't what we're after here. And look at these guys. They just crunch. Come on. Let me get my guy. Thank you. Unholy MG. You're out of here. Oh. Extra choice. And I guess I'll just fuse you two together. Into a punish. Sorry, Praise Be. I really let you down on that one. But look at how many spinny lads we've got. That's what I'm here for. That's what we're all here for. All right. We're going to take that because, yeah, we're just going to take the purples and the yellow for the rerolls. And 100% tower damage. Yes, please, mate. Here it is. This is what I wanted. And we've got a full upgrade here. Nothing there we want. I do love a Praise Be. You know what? This is going to give us Primal Fury, which is great. Oh, Living Shadows. I think we just Living Shadows, right? Well, hold on. How about we lock you so we can play you? Yeah, and then we go. Okay, Replenish is great. But we're going to play Living Shadow. And then we're going to Replenish. Oh my fucking god, brother. Now, this is great and all. But I'm going to do this. And these are all arse, sadly. But you know what? Sometimes that's the risk you play. What do I even want? Probably another Living Shadow. Or hell, I would have taken another Redemption. 40% chance to keep him? I mean, Living Shadow. 40% chance to keep a Living Shadow. That's good. This our shop one? I wonder what I might take here. I actually kind of want to take the Praise Be again. In fact, I'm going to take one yellow, but yeah. Praise Be is too good. Extra choice? We kept it? Out of your fucking mind? Love that. Grants one extra choice when upgrading or re-rolling cards. Max 5. Ah, okay. So we're basically at the max for it now. That's why you can't... The super re-roll doesn't matter for that, because that's already at 5. Okay, well, what do we do here? We go for the fucking fattest re-roll in the West. You two. Please. Honestly? Maybe. Play the Frankie fast. Play the Replenish. Yep, we take that. We banish you. We play you. Okay, this is good. Because we're going to get a shot. Anyway. Like, this is decided. I'm pretty sure this one is the one that gives us a shop, in fact. Oh my god, look at the destruction. The desolation. Reach the final circle using only unholy damage. Oh my god, yep. We take one of those. We don't want any of these. I mean, combined damage could be good. Like, I kind of want to go the meme judgment build, but I'm not going to. No. I mean, I guess I could just take the goldens for the rerolls, right? Yeah, I think that's enough. Holy damage. I guess give me the regen. Because everything else is useless. Okay, this is the last one, I think. Lucky. Okay, I want to keep the living shadow. Okay, give me the... Nope. Bad mistake. We have our... Damn, we don't have our thing in the shop. Okay, we can still make this work. We can still get a really cheap shop. Look at these sussy amogus. Very sussy indeed. Okay, so you can come out. You two can go in. Give me the big cash. None of these are good. Do I want to just get rid of this bazaar again? Oh, I can't. Okay, well, I'm just going to play the Living Shadow. More projectiles! You almost have the full circle. Like, if we were attacked on all sides at the same time, I feel like we'd probably get it. Give me the reload. Give me the hot potato. Okay. Everything in the next shop. So it doesn't need to be this turn, even. Do we do this? You re-roll these. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, we do take this. Do we want to play this? I mean, we may as well. Cool. We just got through some crap. There was nothing in there we are upset about losing. And we have so much econ. So much econ. Okay, beautiful. Here's the lucky. Here's the praise V. Here's the other praise V. Wait, where the fuck was our shop? God damn it. That sucked. Oh my god, we got it. I want this so bad. But we're probably not going to see it again. Wait. Yes! Monkey's paw. Hot potato. Guess what? Fuck off. I meant to banish. I'm a fuck up. Hold on. We can still do this. And then guess what? Boom. Keep you. Play you. Play the rock. I don't care. Give me the lucky for next turn. I ain't worried. This thing is so good. I wish I took it instead of the redemption. Don't get me wrong. The redemption has done some good work for me. But, you know, not enough. Hello, my puppy dog. Are you causing havoc? Soul Blade and Summon. Why not? Okay, here's our bazaar, finally. So we're going to play the Living Shadow. We're going to remove you. We're just going to buy Punish. Buy Guns of God. Fuck you, Summon. Easy energy. Play the Lucky. Just, hey, why not? Play the Bazaar. It's all free! Oh, only the first ones are free. We did still get 3 goldens out of it. So I guess I can't complain too much, can I? I can definitely make those golds work for me. Oh no, we're so close to the end. I don't want it to end. We're having the run of the gods. I mean, I'm definitely just going to fuse you two idiots. I mean... I could make this work for me. Anything good? Fucking terrible. Not at all worth it. Get out of my sight. You almost got full circle. Almost. Wait, do you want this one up the top? Come on. I just want full circle. Oh, we got 2 bazaars. That's wacky. I'm just gonna do this. I do kind of like combined damage. Like this. Play another Lucky, I guess. Play a Frankie Fast Hands. This is kind of a waste, but whatever. Lots of damage. Hold on. We can check, right? 35% unholy crit chance, 464% unholy damage, and our tower damage is at 386%. And of course, these towers all have their own little lovely effects, which is like 16% damage modifiers on their own. Oh, yes. They're not coming anywhere near this tower. I don't even know why they're trying. I mean, it's a valiant effort, but I'm fucking unstoppable. Thanks for the cash. Lock, stock, and smoking centers. Fully complete a shift with the boy. Bam! 868. Oh, yes. That is what we call cash money. Oh, and look at them all. There we go. 300% unholy damage. 30% unholy damage increase. Not the best, but you know. There we go. 20,000 critical hits. Unholy critical hits have a 20% chance to create a knife that shoots in a random direction. That seems kind of fun. Reach treachery while only dealing unholy. 80% of all unholy damage is converted to unholy. Interesting. Complete a full shift with Johnny Boy. Discard all cards in hand and draw 4 new cards. Must be the first card used. Excellent card. Bigger collection size. For each unique structure in play, draw a card. Add 1 to your hand. See, so I'm assuming that's the same. Oh, since you finally found some success. Hey, don't tell anyone, but I found a file hidden deep in my archives. Well, to your desktop appears to be some sort of admin key. Boop. Yeah, baby. Don't mind if I do. Can I put it out on the desktop? No. I'm just gonna keep chilling there. Oh, I've clicked off the game and accidentally dragged this window out. Any eyes located around this bad boy? Wait, where'd my egg go? Give me my egg back. My egg, damn it. Anyway, I guess for now, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.